This video lesson explains you the built-in Excel functions like count, COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. So these three functions are used when you have to count the number of observations in your data set. So for example, here we have a data set which contains customer ID, customer name, customer country and product sold, sales channel and unit sold, and different countries are listed here, and different types of products and different sales channels like online, retail, direct and unit sold. So first of all, we are interested to know actually how many observations are there in data set. So to count the number of observations in a data set, we use Excel function equal to count, and select any range. Let's say it is B and down arrow. So here we got a 0. Instead of putting this in equals to count, we select column A to A. So we have total 998 observations, and we can also use another function, that is count A. So count function is used when you have numeric values, and count A is used when you have a text. So this equals to count A, then you select your data in a B range, hold shift key, press end button and press down arrow and close the bracket. So we have a 998. So this is count function is used when you have a numerics, and count A is used when you have text. So when your data is presented in a text, we use count A. When data is presented in numerics or numbers, we use count. So this is how we use to count the data or to count number of observations using count function and count A function. Next we have is a COUNTIF. COUNTIF is a conditional function, or where variables can be counted based on condition. Let us say here we have different sales channels like online, retail, direct. So if you want to know of the total 998 observations, how many sales or how many has been made through online sale, so we want to know this. So for this we use COUNTIF function. So equals to COUNTIF, it asks you to the range. So our range is in E, so select E to E. Once range has been selected, then you give the criteria. So here criteria is in text format, right? Online is in the words text format. So text format criteria we give by starting double quote in quotes, write online, close the bracket. So 480 times sales were made using online. And if you want to check it as retail, so equals to COUNTIF range E to E. We are taking a total range, and our criteria is retail. RET, spelling mistake, RET. So we have 387 times that sales has been made using retail channel. So this is how we use count if function. And count ifs is the another function where we can give a multiple criterias or multiple conditions. Now if you are interested in knowing the product SUPA 101 and how many times this has been sold online. So criteria 1 is we want to check the product SUPA 101 and how many times it has been. Criteria 2 is sales channel. So for this we use Excel count ifs equals to count ifs. Count ifs is ifs, plural ifs. So multiple conditions can be given. Criteria range is our product code is in D. So D to D. And what is the criteria that we want to give? Our criteria is SUPA 101. So we want to know product code, that is SUPA 101, and second criteria is criteria range 2 is sales channel. So E to E. Then our sales channel is we want to know this product how many times it has been sold online. So online. So 48 times SUPA 101 product has been sold 40 times using online. So in count ifs we have given a criteria range 1 and our condition, criteria range 2 and condition. Similarly we can give up to 127 such conditions. So you can give a 127 criteria ranges. So likewise you can add the country as one criteria range and product sold is another criteria range and sales as another criteria range. 3 criteria ranges. So like that you can go for 127 criteria ranges by using count ifs. So this is how we use the count function, count A, count if and count ifs in Excel.